I know have done it. You have done it, haven't you? Everybody has. Especially you. I'm looking at you, man. So you want to browse the internet privately, like the things like incognito mode offers you, or you want to collaborate with others and destroy everything afterwards. So, for example, going incognito, everybody knows what it is, but sometimes you need to collaborate and you need to go to things like Teams, Discord, and other type of stuff, so everybody can see the same thing and chat, but that also leaves a trail. So this solution is called Neko, and this allows you to privately browse the internet with a bunch of browsers, different browsers, and other applications like VLC. And you can also create a collaboration environment where everybody can see everything of one another, and you can even chat, and everything gets destroyed because this runs in a browser. Many supported browsers like Firefox, Chrome, Chromium web browsers, Edge, Brave, many browsers are supported, and also different applications, for example, like VLC. So this solution allows you to browse privately and create a collaboration environment where that everybody can see the same thing and show everybody else fun stuff or any kind of stuff. In the end, everything gets destroyed because everything runs in a container. So you come here and let's continue that, because we're going to check out the solution that allows you to give you kind of a private browsing, incognito, in steroids. So this is a solution. It's much more complex in a good way, much more capable than I'm going to show you here. I'm going to leave you in the comments below the link to the product, the thing, and it has much more potential than I'm going to show you here. But I really find this very useful and interesting. I had to share with you. So this is going to allow you to run a browser, completely a browser within the container. So which means that all you do here gets, for the most part, contained within the container. So all you do stays for the most part contained there. And if something goes wrong, you just delete the container and you are good to go. Other than that, you can even share. Okay, so let's see how you run it. So this is how you run it. You just do a podman run with the demonizing remove when you stop it, forward some ports, and then you have the configuration for the product itself. So I'm not going to be too much boring in the technical details. This is just some forwarding ports, the passwords that you need to type in when you enter as a regular user or as an admin, and all of that. The only thing I have to say to you for you to be careful, in the documentation, he says here to use the 27001. When I use the 27001, it does not work. It gives me problems. So I'll just put here my private IP address of the physical machine where this container is running, and everything then works fine. So just some forwarding ports. If you want me to make a separate video about all the technical details of this command, I can do that. But for now, I have other videos about containers. So just here in this part here, just make sure you use your. You can try like the documentation says 27001, or you can just go direct and see what happens. But in my case, I have to use the private IP. So this is going to run a container as normal. So there he is running all nice and cool. You can customize this out further, but this is how I have it, and it's running. After that, to just connect to localhost 8080. Okay, so I'm going to do that from the beginning. I'm gonna log out from this session here, and I'm going to connect from the beginning. So it's asking for your name. I'm going to type the name I want to appear as, and it's going to ask you for the password, and the default user password is Neko or Neko, I believe. And you are here. So right now I have two sessions. I have Ozzoy here. I have two Ozzoys now. I'm stupid. Never mind. I'm going to log out from this one because I wanted to have two different ones. And I'm going to log out here. This is going to be Barbara. It's going to be Neko. Don't save. As you can see here in the bottom, you can see here, right? You can actually see here the names. Okay. We can chat to one another if you have two people. You can actually chat. It's really nice. I can go here. I can see Barbara saying hi. I can reply, and then one of them can get control from of the computer, and can actually, and you can see here what I'm doing on the right side is you're going to see on the left side. Okay, and it has, I don't have sound support now right now, but it has sound support too. So youtube.com, for example. I mistyped YouTube because I'm dumb. youtube.com. There we go. So we are both seeing the same thing. I can lock the controls. Okay. I can do nothing. I can unlock the controls. I can release the controls. I can take care of the controls on this side. So, and then I can resume here. We can make a watch along, and both will see it. Let me close off the chat here. For example, if I go here and search for my channel, Ozzoy Bits. So not only allows you to make private browsing really private, you can even share your session. I'm going to click this my video here. There I have, this is my video playing on both. Oh, I'm sorry, I clicked somewhere by accident. So you can, I'm seeing both on. I mean, this is pretty great if you want to do a collab thing, that in the end you just shut down the thing and everybody's credentials and everybody's information just goes away. You just nuke the container and everything it's gone. So that's what I'm going to do here. So I'm going to go to my session here, podman stop, and the name, and it's gone. So the container is destroyed. It's going to take a while because my machine is not that powerful, and it's gone. So everything is gone. Nothing is traced. It's traced. I can just remove completely. I don't have to remove it because I use the RM option. So as soon as I stop the container, all traces of the container is completely destroyed. This is an awesome product for a single use or for collaboration. This supports not only Firefox but supports Chrome and other browsers. You can not only browsers, you can use with VLC, for example. So the potential is great. So not only for you to open a browser and be completely isolated on a container, but also to create some sort of collaboration environment that you just stop, kill it, destroy it, and everything is just gone. Like, subscribe, and comment, it helps, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, guys.